Hello everyone, this is Chris with DroidForums.net, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Windows Phone 8 launcher for your Android handset running 2.2 and above. And this launcher is available in the Play Store. It's in beta right now. And it does have a couple of small issues, nothing really no big deal that's going to affect usability or anything like that, but I'll cover those as we go along here. But other than that, it's a really smooth launcher. It doesn't use up a ton of battery life. It's yeah, like I said, there's really no issues running it. You're not going to get any kind of any lag or severe battery drain or what have you. But swiping right, just like on Windows Phone 8, you're going to get all your applications in alphabetical order. And yeah, swiping right, and then you got your live tiles. The difference between this and between the Windows Phone 8 launcher, what you're looking at here, and the Windows Phone 7 is that with this, you're going to get a little bit more customization options. I mean, you're going to be able to change the theme of this, and you're going to be able to change the size of the tiles. So you can rearrange these tiles any way you want them, add them, make them bigger, smaller, whatever. And you can, like I said, you can totally make this on yours. So let's look at changing the theme color first. Go to that menu, and that's going to bring up all your different options in there. Like I said, we're going to go change theme, and right there. Change theme color. So you're gonna bring up that menu with all the different colors on there where you can change whatever color you like. Let's do some pink. Yeah. So choose the pink, and there you go. Also, you will be able to change this background color. You're not gonna have, it doesn't have to be black. It can be also white. So you get a choice of white and black. And like you just saw, all the different color choices that you do get. So just like Windows Phone 8. Also, changing the tiles. You can make these anything that you want. Let's say you get tired of your camera, you want to change that up. What you're going to do is you're going to hit your menu key and you're going to hit edit. Now, before I get into this, I'm going to hit edit. The launcher may stop responding. You might get an error that it stopped responding. You're just going to hit OK, and then you start the process over again. It's not like you can never edit anything, but sometimes it just happens where it just doesn't work. So anyway, so I went down there, hit the menu key, hit edit. You're going to see these things floating around down there, and you want to change your camera. You want to make something different. Hit it, and then you see that little pencil up there. Hit the option, hit the pencil, hit the pencil. There we go. And here's that tile setting. So you see it's set to camera, bind application, it's set to the camera. The color of the title, you can change that. You can make it to whatever color that you want. You see, once again, you get all the different color options on there. And the same thing with the tile color. You can change that. You can see I made it red. And also the picture. So you saw it was the camera. Just going to select that, and then you get all your different icons. There's a bunch of different icons for your standard Android applications. Some may not be in there, but you know, you get a lot of variety in here. If whatever application you want to use doesn't have it, you kind of got to improvise and choose something that will look different. So anyway, that's how you would change that. You could, you know, change that to SMS, bind that to your SMS, your text messaging, and if you want to mess around with the colors and the color of the tile, what have you, go for it and set that up. And then after you do that, you just hit confirm, and that will change your selection on over. To move the tiles, same thing. Edit. Like I said, you see them floating around, just kind of hit it and then move it to wherever you want. I want it there, boom. And there it is. You also get the ability, which is really cool, is to add your widgets on there. You can see this is beautiful widgets. So you can add your beautiful widgets and it will blend with the theme. You know, you see the pink tile, and it will blend in there. And your power control, same thing. You got those ability to add widgets, which is down in your menu button. Add. Bingo. So you can add widgets, you can add your apps, shortcuts, and add others. I'll show you this. You can add a time tile, a lock tile, live tile of contacts. I'll show you that in a minute. Your live tile is a gallery. But let's just go ahead and add a time tile, select it, and it will be down at the bottom. And as you saw before, if you want to move that anywhere on your screen, just go ahead and hit that menu key and move it over, and you'll go from there. Right here is your gallery. You can see it's going to scroll through a few different pictures. You can change that up as well. So you can edit that and have your own pictures scrolling through that. I didn't do it, I just left it as is. And then up here on your contacts, it's gonna, wow, look at that guy. It's gonna scroll through your different contacts, through your G-Talk and you know, all your different contacts that are in your contact book. And you see these numbers here. This, like I said, this is pretty cool where you get the option to choose if you're going to see your missed call count on the live tile, and your text messages that you missed. That shows up as well. So that kind of covers everything that you're going to be able to do with this. And I did mention, I said you can change the size of these tiles. So like I said, you can definitely make these bigger, smaller, wider. It's just you get a variety. There's like, I think there's like 10 different sizes that you can do, and you can make them totally elongated. You can make them, you know, 4x2, which you see right here, 1x1, 2x1, 4x3. There's just a ton of different options in there. So that is your Windows Phone 8 launcher, available in the Play Store. Again, it's in beta. You just have those, you know, sometimes it doesn't respond when you're editing it. It kind of does its own thing, but you will be able to get back to it. And of course, the lock screen one I mentioned, once you change that out, if you don't like it and you choose something else, you're going to be stuck with whatever you're done with, whatever you have. Also, before I sign off, the time. It's a 24-hour clock right now. That's another thing you really can't change. So until they get that set, some people don't mind. I mean, some people prefer that, but if you don't, that's just one of the things you're going to have to deal with. Thanks for watching.